Hello, everyone, and welcome to Growing with the Gold. Today, we're here to talk about the Crown Jewels Grow. We want to talk about some of the different things that make it so functional in the garden and when and why to use it. So we've got our garden beds here. They've been planted a few weeks now. We're starting to see a little bit of yellowing as the plants are starting to stretch down deep and get those roots in. We want to get a little bit more nutrition up to the surface where they can really get at it easily. And this Crown Jewels Grow is perfect for that. It's micronized down to a nice fine powder, so the nitrogen is going to release quickly. Potassium and phosphorus also are going to get in there, start giving the plants the nutrition they need. One of the beauties of Crown Jewels fertilizers is we work hard to make sure that we have multiple sources of nitrogen, multiple sources of potassium and phosphorus, so we can really contribute to the biodiversity going on underneath the soil surface. So there's different organisms that are going to chew through those things, break them down, and make them available. This is a perfect time for us to apply this product. You can see they need a little bit of love. There's a little bit of yellowing going on. They're really starting to get going and growing. Perfect time for grow. There's no flowers happening yet, no flower sets, nothing like that. So this is perfect time for grow. Any crop you have that's not fruiting or flowering, Crown Jewels Grow right here. This is spaced with crab meal, neem seed meal, so that's also going to help prevent pests in your garden, things like that. It's also got alfalfa meal, which has powerful enzymes and things like that. It's got tricantanol, which is really going to give hormone boost to your plant to cause those auxins to release in the soil and the plant to want to stretch and get bigger faster. So we're going to just take it easy and not go super hard with this. The plants are still not huge. So we're just going to kind of do a real gentle sprinkle down between each row. Just like this. I'm not even weighing or measuring. I know with this volume of soil, we're not going to overdo it with this top dress. So we're just going to get it all over. In and around each row and each plant. Like I said, we're taking it easy. We'll have probably put about 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds total on this bed. I think we got some pretty good coverage. We're going to scratch this in and just water as usual. This is going to continue to release its nutrition for a good 2 weeks or so. So this is going to get us going until these plants are big, strong, and established, and probably moving towards fruiting and flowering when we'll bring in the Crown Jewels bloom. Another great thing you can think about when you're scratching in your fertilizers like this is you're kind of doing a manual cultivation, getting rid of any weed seeds or sprouts that are starting to pop up. You can see some stuff that's kind of blown in and just started to germinate. This roughing it up on the top dress just takes care of all that while you're feeding. And just like that, we have a 5-minute feed done and ready to roll. Thanks for checking us out and seeing why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening. Check us again next time on another Growing with the Gold.